And the race is on. Final countdown. Sir Frederick Valentine Rose Danori inside is the chosen one. Matter of honor in between runners alongside is Wakikoy. Fabiola is racing from the outside is Stellar Ace Prince Carlo Madam. Leonora and Devil in Disguise is running at the tail of the field. Matter of honor and final countdown. The chosen one down on the inside. Sir Frederick Valentine Rose Wakikoy is on the further outside as they race the last 500. Matter of honor by Alan Canal, followed now by Wakikoy and Valentine Rose in the middle, down on the inside. The chosen one entering the last 250 meters more to run. Matter of honor by some 5 lengths now, followed now by Valentine Rose Wakikoy, and finally number 5 Matter of Honor. Second, Valentine Rose Wakikoy. Final countdown, and for your Fenta Fecta, the chosen one.